In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom sign up form in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, tailored form ready to collect exactly the information you need. This walkthrough is perfect for newsletters, waitlists, events, or membership interest. Anytime you want visitors to raise their hand and connect with you. Start by heading to wix.com and signing in. On your dashboard, look to the top left to pick the site you want to work on. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new site and come right back here. With the correct site selected, move to the right side and click Design Site. This opens the Wix editor, which gives you full design control. If you see a simplified builder, switch to the editor view so you can add and customize every element of your form. Inside the editor, hover over the page and decide exactly where your sign-up form should live. A dedicated section on your homepage is a great spot, but you can also place it in a footer or on a specific landing page. Think about visibility and flow. Give the form breathing room so it stands out and is easy to complete. Now, open the Add menu on the left. Choose Forms and Contacts to access Wix's form tools. Scroll down and click Create New Form. This starts you with a clean canvas so you can shape the form around your needs rather than squeezing your content into a preset. Drop the new form into the section you picked earlier and align it with your page layout. It's time to build the fields. From Contacts, add essentials like name and email. Mark the must-haves as required to keep submissions useful. In general, bring in single line or paragraph text for details like company, notes, or custom questions. For structured choices, use drop-downs, radio buttons, or checkboxes in the choices category, perfect for interests, preferences, or how someone found you. Add dates if you need a date picker, and scheduling or services if visitors should select time slots or offerings. If you plan to collect fees, include payments so people can check out right in the form. Don't forget a submit button and use layout elements like titles, dividers, and spacing to keep the form readable. As you go, keep labels short, add helpful placeholder text, and make sure the tab order feels natural. When everything looks right, click Save. Give the form a clear name so you can find it later. Finally, close the tab and view your site to see the form in place. Do a quick test submission to confirm the button works and fields behave as expected. That's it. Your custom Wix signup form is ready to go.